President Kenyatta ni arugoririe gicukiro kia mirigo kia reri ya SGR guku Nairobi igongona-ini ria rikuruhanirie minister wa ukui na waki James Macharia o undu umwe na munini wa barothi wa China guku bururi-ini. President akirira ahuri biacara ati ni maretinagirio marihi na gicunji kia 50 hari igana ria mekuhuthira gicukiro giki.
To support this effort, our exporters, both local and regional, we will offer a 50% discount for transporting goods from the Nairobi Inland Container Depot and the Port of Mombasa. Further, the second phase of the SGR will be linked to the depot, thus connecting Nairobi with the region via rail.
Na niguo gutigirira maundu ni manyoroka huthiri-ini wa gicukiro giki, President ni athite honge 22 rungu rwa Mombasa Charter na hiria ni hamwe na Kenya Ports Authority, Kenya Bureau of Standards na Kenya National Police Service gatagati ka aige itigire ni ciehanda wega gutigirira gutire mihinga mutaratara uyu wa tungio.
The SGR freight train will reduce the cost of doing business not just in Kenya but across the East African region. For instance, it currently costs $1,200 to ship a 20-ton container from Japan to the port of Mombasa. Yet it costs $2,500 to move a similar container to Kampala, and as much as $4,500 to move the same to Kigali. With the SGR, we can expect to cut this cost significantly.
Munini wake minister wa ukui na waki James Macharia ni agathire ikinya riria SGR etemete hari kwagirithia ugendio na biacara ingi akiuga nginyagia riu makiria ya andu 600,000 ona president we mwene ni mahuthirite reri ino.
We have ferried about 600,000 Kenyans from Mombasa and Nairobi and vice versa. And I'm glad to report to Kenyans that out of the 600 passengers, one of them has been the president himself.
Na munini wa barothi wa China guku bururi-ini ni augite thiriti njega ya China na Kenya niwe kinyanirie kiroto giki guku akiuga China no iguthie na mbere kunyitirira Kenya wakini wa gicunji gia keri kia reri ya SGR.
The launch of ICD will greatly improve the clearance of logistics efficiency, enhance the capacity of container building, lower the freight cost, strengthen the competitiveness of SGR and Mombasa Port.
Waki wa gicunji gia keri kia SGR iri kunyitithania Nairobi na Naivasha utanyitwo kuhuthira makiria bilioni 60.
Well done.
Giribotera Kameme TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Mwaura wa Ndung'u.